Betterment Robo-advisor for investing honest review, watch before using. Betterment is one of the most well-known robo-advisors, offering automated investing with features like tax loss harvesting, goal-based portfolios, and hands-off wealth management. Designed for beginners and passive investors, Betterment simplifies investing by creating a diversified portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. It offers multiple portfolio options, including socially responsible investing, income-focused portfolios, and even crypto exposure. The platform charges a 0.25% annual fee for its basic plan and 0.40% for the premium plan with human advisors. There are no account minimums, making it accessible for investors at any level. One of its standout features is automatic rebalancing, ensuring your portfolio stays aligned with your strategy without manual effort. Betterment also offers cash management options with a high-yield savings account and checking account with no fees. However, it's not for active traders. There's no individual stock picking, and customization is limited. The mobile app and web platform are user-friendly, but some users may find the lack of control frustrating if they prefer a DIY investing approach. Compared to competitors like Wealthfront, Betterment stands out for its strong financial planning tools, but lacks direct indexing, which some advanced investors might prefer. If you're looking for a simple, automated, and efficient way to invest with low fees and tax efficiency, Betterment is a solid choice. But if you want more control over your investments, it may not be the best fit. Ultimately, Betterment is ideal for hands-off investors who want a reliable, data-driven approach to building wealth without constantly monitoring the market.